Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in ClickUp using a simple hierarchy. Whether you're completely new to ClickUp or just looking for a streamlined way to manage your tasks and projects, this guide will help you set up a system that keeps everything neat and easily accessible. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity tool designed to simplify task management, and with just a few steps, you can have your personal projects organized efficiently. To start, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. This platform is where all your tasks, notes, and projects come together seamlessly. Once the homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of your screen and click it. If you have a Google account, I recommend using the sign in with Google option. This is quick, convenient, and avoids the hassle of entering another password. If you're already logged into Google, simply select your account and you'll be taken directly to your ClickUp workspace. Now that you're in your workspace, the first step in organizing your personal life is to create a new space. Think of a space as the main container for all related tasks and projects. Click the plus icon to begin and then select Use Templates. Templates are extremely helpful because they provide a pre-structured foundation so you don't have to start from scratch. In the template search bar, type Personal and you'll see multiple templates designed specifically for personal task management. Hover over the one you like and click Quick Use to add it to your workspace. Once your new space is created, it's time to customize it. Click the three dots next to the space's name and choose Rename. Pick a name that reflects your personal projects or lifestyle so that it's easy to identify. Don't forget to click Save Changes to make sure your updates are stored. Within your personal space, you'll find lists which are crucial for keeping tasks organized. Each list can represent a different aspect of your personal life, such as fitness goals, household chores, travel plans, or hobby projects. Click on a list to rename it, add new tasks, or break tasks down into subtasks to keep everything clear and actionable. This structure allows you to easily track progress and ensures that no important task is overlooked. By following these steps, you've successfully organized your personal life in ClickUp. With this setup, you can manage multiple areas of your life in one place, focus on priorities, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Keep exploring ClickUp's features such as reminders, due dates, and checklists to further enhance your productivity and efficiency. This simple hierarchy is a powerful way to bring clarity and control to your daily life. With your workspace set up and list organized, you're ready to tackle tasks confidently and stay on top of everything that matters to you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.